Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a note from your friends or favorite creators on Instagram while using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process of enabling notifications for notes on the Instagram app with the latest update for desktop. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. There, you'll see a menu with several icons. Find and click on your profile icon. This will take you to your personal profile page. Now, look for the notifications option in your profile menu. Click on it to open up all your notification settings. Here, you can control exactly which alerts you want to receive while using Instagram on your PC. Next, enter the Push Notifications section. This is where you can fine-tune your notification preferences and make sure you're always in the loop. Scroll down until you find the Notes category. This is the key step. Click on Notes, and then select the option labeled On. By choosing this, you're telling Instagram to send you notifications every time someone you follow posts a new note. That's it. With these settings enabled, you'll receive real-time notifications for notes directly on your PC. No more missing out on quick updates, thoughts, or important messages shared by your friends and favorite accounts. Staying connected and engaged with your Instagram community has never been easier. Now, whenever someone posts a new note, you'll be among the first to know, right from your desktop. Enjoy your more connected Instagram experience, and never miss a moment again.